Hey there, it's Christina here at Southland RV, and if you've been looking for a camper that actually works for your family, this one's worth checking out. This is the 2026 Della Terra 250QB, and what makes it stand out is how much sleeping space and separation you get without going huge. Back here, you'll see the biggest feature, a private bunkhouse. You've got double bunks, plus a bunk over a dinette, so you can sleep a lot of people comfortably. And you've got storage everywhere, under the bunks and under the dinette, so everything stays organized. Right here is your walk-through bathroom. You've got easy access on both sides and a solid-sized shower. Your main living space feels open with this L-shaped dinette, and the kitchen's fully set up with good counter space and storage. Up here, you've got your king bed and even more storage, so it's comfortable for you too. So if you need more space for family or guests, this one gives you a ton of flexibility. Come check out this East to West Della Terra 250QB with your family today here at Southland RV in LaGrange. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more RV videos just like this one.